Wednesday. I'm headed to the back, so y'all just gonna have to bear. We gonna fast forward this. Sorry y'all, the lighting was just horrible. So I'm actually getting ready to jump on a call with my manager. He better come with some good stuff, some good news. Hold on, I'm gonna set you guys down really quickly. Ciao. Okay, it has been a mess at work. I'm not even gonna like sugarcoat it. It's been an absolute freaking mess. So I'm actually, like I said, I'm recording a, actually I said I was gonna do like a morning routine because I don't know if I'll have enough footage for a like entire day in the life of. It's very, very redundant, but I'll decide. Y'all gonna see it next. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all might see it before this. Anywho, I'm just combobulated. I'm just ready to get on this call. I hope he has some good news for me because right now, honestly, work has been a mess. Work has been an absolute mess and nobody wants to deal with that. So even though I'm not gonna get on camera, I did decide to get cute today. I did decide to get myself together today. These glasses give me Oprah vibes. I don't know why. It gives me Oprah vibes. But anyways, let me prep for this call and get myself sorted out. I don't have any standard. The one call that I did have, she never showed up. I don't know. Like, I have no idea why people think, like, I feel bad for our managers who like constantly have to deal with all the questions, knowing that their team members are overworked or overwhelmed and super duper concerned and morale is down. Like, I feel for them because the higher ups don't necessarily understand how we work and don't see what happens on a day-to-day. At this point, I really just don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do, but people are leaving. We've had four announcements of people leaving in the 24-hour period, and morale is down, and all you can say is, hey, well, you know, it's gonna get worse before it gets better. There's no talks of incentive for the extra work that we're doing, and like that is discouraging, that you could think that I should be able to handle extra without any incentive. That is extremely disturbing to me. So, but here we are. Y'all, I know you're sitting low, but I love this salad. It has chickpeas, black beans, parsley, basil, tomatoes, red onion. What else does it have in there? Red peppers, orange peppers. You probably should have it with feta cheese, but this is, I think, queso fresco, and I just prefer it because it's a bit milder. But it's so good. It's so freaking good. I feel healthy, y'all. I feel healthy when I eat this because I don't put a lot of the pasta at all. I just do it so that I am not craving the satisfaction of carbs, even though the beans definitely and the chickpeas have carbs in them. It's just that heavier, starchier vibe I get from the pasta without overdoing it. So, love that. for like 3 minutes straight and wasn't even recording. Wow. Yay. Anywho, hi y'all. It is Friday. I am so stoked that it is Friday. I'm happy. Even though I won't say I have a lot going on, I have another quote unquote therapy session tomorrow, and I'm anxious about it. I'm anxious about discussing issues. You know, I'm the type of person who I acknowledge it, but then I ignore it so that I can move forward. I don't like sitting in my stuff. And of course, I'm going to have to bring that stuff up because of my session tomorrow. So glad to be healing, a little anxious about attacking the problems. But yeah, I just got done eating breakfast from McDonald's. I know it's not the healthiest, but y'all, I wanted Starbucks. I just did not want to leave the house. And McDonald's delivers. So, grab some breakfast. Of course, again, I got the wrong, well, I should say the last time I ordered, I had to get a refund because I had plastic in my food. And now ordered from a different location and they screwed up my order. So I had to get my money back for that as well. But got the coffee. I'm about to get ready. I have been busy, like non-stop busy at work. So I logged in off. You guys should know if you've been here for a while that whenever I have either early morning calls or my caseload is kind of backed up, I will always wake up, maybe take 5 minutes to myself and then attack work because I just don't want to feel super duper overwhelmed as the day progresses, because people will add more cases to my queue, or they'll ping me, or they'll want to jump on a call. And so I like to either stay a little bit later so that I can knock off some stuff, or wake up and log in and do what I got to do and then get ready. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go get ready now. I thought to myself, well, I reminded myself just now that I have a laser appointment, and it is for facial hair. So I cannot I can right now and just wipe it off later. I can do that. I'm gonna get myself together today. We gonna be cute today. So give me a minute and I'll be back. Y'all, hold on, let me pause this. So I don't know if I'm proud of myself. I guess I'm gonna stick with the positive here, right? And I know y'all are, ooh, Lord, that's a little bit too. So I was going to say, I don't know whether or not I should be proud of myself for my reflexes or should be upset at myself because I'm clumsy AF. I attempted to take a sip of my coffee before I started doing my makeup and accidentally had a splash. So not a spill, a splash. So I had a little bit of coffee spill on my desk. As y'all know, like this, my office plays as a everything room for me. So about to do my makeup on my lunch break now. Let me prop y'all up because I don't like talking. That's better. That's better. Now y'all have some height to you. I don't know what I want to do with my hair today, y'all. I did throw it up in this like ponytail, but my curls are frizzy. I'm all over the place. As I was saying, I'm all over the place. I'm just about to, y'all are crooked. Hi! And welcome to my life is just all over the place right now. Yeah, about to do my makeup. Not sure what I'm gonna do with my hair, honestly. The way I feel, I might just, I don't know. I think this is a term that they use in America as well, but I'm just gonna scrape my hair back. I'm gonna scrape it all back and put it in a low bun because I am not feeling the frizz today. Some days I do, some days I don't. Today's one of those days. So let me get my face done and then I will check in with you guys when I'm done. I also have to start mapping out what I'm gonna do this evening. I do have a laser appointment at 3:30, I think. And then I'm thinking, since I'm going to be on that side of town, I might as well go to Trader Joe's and do my shopping. The only thing is, I like getting the packaged salads from Trader Joe's. So I like their Greek salad. But by the time, if I get it on a Friday, by the time Monday rolls around, it's gonna be on its end. So I think what I'll start doing is I might get my groceries during the weekend, and then Monday morning run and go get like the packaged salads, if that's what I plan on doing. So there's that. Okay guys, so makeup is done. Wasn't really feeling it today. Okay, I do have my tripod. Hold on. Okay guys, so I am done with my makeup. It ain't, not that I do the most anymore, but it's just not, I don't know, it's not giving to me. But what I do need to figure out is this hair, because I'm not really feeling this high ponytail. So I'm either gonna leave my hair out, and I don't really want to do that because I feel like if I start separating the curls anymore, then it's going to, I look nuts. I look nuts. Sorry, but I feel like if I start separating the curls anymore, then they're going to start to get even more frizzy, and then I'm gonna have a big poof on my head without any real definition. But at the same time, because I haven't separated the curls, it almost makes my hair look thin, and I'm not digging that. Like, you can see through in some areas, and that's not me. My hair is big and long and thick, and right now, I'm sorry, I'm staring at the viewfinder because I put my mirror back over here. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's much better actually. Low ponytail for the win. Low ponytail for the win. Okay. And I am the type of person, I don't like to put too much product on my hair. So when it comes to laying my edges and all of that, that's on very rare occasion. I don't really, sometimes I'll sleek my hair back, but as far as now I can't get the look I was going for because of the ponytail. But this is what we're gonna work with until I get ready to leave. Then I might. Okay guys, so this is what it's going to have to be. Okay, this is what it's going to have to be. I don't even know how much time I got on here because I need to basically download the footage that I have on this card and put it on my drive. I feel like I have so much to do in so little time. But yeah, this is the look. I'm just gonna add my accessories before I leave out. I still have some time, and I still have some time on lunch, and I still have some time before my appointment. So. Hey guys, so it is 2 o'clock on a Saturday. Actually 2:30 on a Saturday, and I'm headed to go pick up some food. Hubby had this random craving for crab, so crab it is. He's buying, so I'm driving to pick it up. Yeah, I've been up since around 7:30, which is odd on a Saturday because potholes. Yeah, it's odd on a Saturday because we typically have a late start. However, I had a therapy session this morning, and so I was up early for that. After the therapy session, I thought that I would be running my errands. However, that didn't happen. I had a whole breakdown after my therapy session and needed some time to recoup. I recouped, and here we are. So it's later in the day. Not sure whether or not I'm going to do what I planned today, because y'all, I had a plan to go treat myself. I was thinking about going to Sephora. I was going to take myself out for lunch, and none of that is happening. None of that is happening right now. So yeah, but Nonetheless, I will check in with you guys. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm going to pick up Angry Crab. It is one of the crab boil places up here on the north. It's on the north side of Chicago. For those of you who don't know, yeah. So for those of you who are on the north side, I think they have another location in Wicker Park, but Angry Crab has been the best like crab spot we found out here. So yeah, that's what we're doing today.